Good morning, children. Again, we will continue the same chapter in G Science. Chapter 7 Food we get from plants. And we have done till. So, in the last video, we have done till here. Plant give us oil. And today, we will start from plant give us wood. So, we get wood from plants. So, we use plant to construct our homes. Wood usually comes from the branches or the trunk of the plant. Bigger plants like trees, more and stronger wood. The table, the chair are also made from wood. Not just the door and window, all the furniture is made from the wood. So wood of trees like oak tree, teak, bamboo, etc. are used to make furniture. The wood from the plant is used as a fuel for cooking from the ancient time. Many people still used wood as a fuel for their cooking. So, did you know the pencil which we use for writing is also made up of wood? Wood is used for making other things. What are the other things? Such as boats, carts, etc. Okay, so we get wood, and from the wood we get so many things. So now we will know about plant give us fibers. So what clothes you like to wear in summer? Of course, you like cotton clothes. In summer, you like to wear cotton clothes. So, cotton clothes are made of fiber which we get from the cotton plants. Now you see here, she was spinning cotton to get cotton yarn, of which clothes are made. So cotton fiber is used to make cotton clothes. So here are the pics of cotton clothes. So jute fiber is used to make rope, bags, sacks and mats. So now let's know about plant give us paper, gum and rubber. So children, do you know that all your books, notebooks, all types of paper are made from the plant? So paper is made from the bamboo plant. So paper is made from the bamboo plant. Similarly, rubber tree give us rubber, which is used to make eraser, and eraser we use when we do any mistake. When you are using eraser, when you do any mistake, then you use eraser for rubbing. So that eraser is also made from the tree. Even the tires of the cars, buses are made of rubber. The gum or glue which is used to stick paper is obtained from the stem of the peepal or acacia tree. But sharpener we don't get from the tree. Okay. So bamboo is the tallest grass and the fastest growing plant It grows up to 1 meter every day. So bamboo is the tallest and fastest growing plant. So here is questions. Think and answer. Can you name 2 things made of rubber used in your house? And what is another questions? Write name of 2 things made of jute. So try to complete by yourself. Okay. So now what are next? Other uses of plants. So what are the other uses of plants? Like rose and jasmine, some more plants which have beautiful leaves and flowers. We use them to beautify our homes, gardens and offices. So these are called as ornamental plants. So we used to make garland or bouquet. Okay. So we use flower and leaves of some plants to make bouquet or garland. Okay. So plant help us to cool and clean the air. They give us oxygen to breathe. So we get oxygen from the plant which we breathe. They make the surrounding beautiful. So plants make the surrounding beautiful. So plants are the home of many animals such as insects, birds, etc. So plants, animals and people are depending on each other. Hence, every plant is very important to us and the entire universe. So we should grow more and more plant and we should save our plants. So plant make our environment fresh and beautiful. So let's not cut them. So we should grow more and more trees. So now our chapter is completed. I hope you have understood this chapter 7. So now here is exercise. Test yourself. Fill in the blanks. What is number 1? Jute fiber is used to make dash, dash and dash. So what is the answer? Bags, rope and mat. Second number, plant give us paper, dash and dash. Paper, rubber and gum. We get paper from dash plant. So which plant? Bamboo plant. Wood can be used for making dash. Wood can be used for making many things. So plant give us dash to breathe. So which air we breathe? We breathe oxygen. So plant give us oxygen to breathe. So now see here, tick the correct options. Now we will do exercise of this chapter. The plant shown above is, see here plant. So what is this? Herb, shrub, climber or creeper. So this is which plant? See carefully. So this is rose plant. So rose plant is shrub. So which is the correct option? Shrub. So which is the correct option? Shrub. Number 2. Which of the following plants grows along the ground? So what is the option? Bottle gourd, grass, rose, money plants. So what is the answer? So bottle gourds are heavy, so it grows along the ground. So number 3 of this plant is used to cure cold and cough. So A number, tulsi, amla, dhania, pudina. And what is the answer? Tulsi. And number 4, quinine is used to cure anemia, malaria, goiter and polio. So what is the answer? Malaria. So number 5, this is not a spice. Which is not a spice? Cardamom, coriander, cocoa, pepper. So cocoa is not a spice. So with the help of cocoa, we get chocolate. Okay. So now come to 6th number. This is obtained from the juice of the acacia tree. Rubber, gum, paper, barley. And the answer is gum. So now B number, fill in the blanks. Dash are small plants with woody stem. And the answer is shrubs. shrubs. Number 2, pumpkin is a dash. So pumpkin is a creeper. creepers, creepers. Number 3, trees have hard and woody stems called trunk. trunk. Number 4, we eat dash of potato and onion plants. So the answer is stem. stem. Number 5th, cocoa beans are crushed to make dash. Chocolates. chocolates. And number C, true and false. So what is number 1? Most of our food comes from the soil. So answer is false. Number 2, we get rubber from the neem tree. So this is also false. Spices add flavor and taste to our food. So this is true. Number 4, flowers of rose plant are used to make perfumes. Yes, this is also true. Cereals and pulses are known as food grains. So this is also true. Number 6, climbers have woody stems. So this is false. Okay. So now see next number. D number. Change the underlined words to correct the sentences. Write the correct sentences in the space provided. Number 1, climbers have woody stems. So what you will write in place of woody? Climbers have weak stem. Okay. You have to write whole sentences. Number 2, rose plant is a tree. No, rose plant is a shrubs. Number 3, most shrubs are seasonal plant. No, most herbs are seasonal plant. Number 4, watermelon grows below the ground. No, watermelon grows along the ground because it is very heavy. Grapevine is an aquatic plant. No. Grapevine is an aquatic plant. No. Lotus is an aquatic plant. Okay. So now exercise is completed. So now what you do? You complete your exercise in your books. And in next video, I will discuss question answer. That is short as well as long. And I will give you some drawing also. Okay. So you complete this exercise and read this chapter from the beginning. So read chapter 7 from the beginning. And in next video, I will discuss question answer. Till that, thank you.